In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an eBay item in just a few simple steps. Returning an item on eBay can sometimes seem daunting, but once you understand the process, it's actually quite straightforward. So let's get started and walk through this together, step by step. First, open up your web browser and head over to the eBay website. You can do this by entering eBay's web address, or simply click on your bookmark if you have one set up. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top left corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on this to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll need to log in by entering your eBay username and password. After you're logged in, keep an eye out for My eBay located in the top right corner. This section will be your portal to all of your recent activities, including your purchase history. Go ahead and click on Purchase History. This will lead you to a page that lists all of your recent purchases. For this tutorial, we don't have any actual purchases listed, but this is exactly where you'll find the items you've bought and might be seeking to return. Once you're looking at your purchase history, carefully find the specific item that you wish to return. Beside the order details, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled More Actions. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal additional options. From the options in the drop-down, select Return this item. At this point, eBay will guide you as you initiate the return process. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for your return. This is important, so make sure to select the reason that best describes why you are returning the item. You'll also have the option to add further details about the reason for your return and even upload photos, which can provide clearer context to the seller. This step is optional, but it can be very helpful if there's a defect or discrepancy you want to highlight. If your return request is approved, either eBay or the seller will provide you with a return shipping label. This label is usually emailed to you, or it might be available for download directly from the returns page. With your label ready, the next step is to carefully package the item and ship it back to the seller. Make sure to securely seal the package and affix the return label to it. After shipping, it's always a good idea to track the shipping progress to ensure that it gets back to the seller without any issues. And there you have it! By following these steps, returning an item on eBay should be a hassle-free experience. Remember, if you run into any trouble, eBay's customer service is a great resource to help you resolve any issues. Thanks for watching, and happy returning.